What you will be needing for this install is the JLT intake tube, which is first, the two supplied silicone couplers. One is a 4.5, the other one's a 5-inch. There are two size 80 clamps, which is on top, and then below that there are two 72 size clamps. You will also need a ratchet. I got two extensions just in case, but you should probably only need one 10mm socket and a screwdriver. Let's get to it. Also, if yours is like mine on the stock airbox, you will need a flathead or a socket type to go over that. So how you take out the math is there's the red tab you pull out, then you squeeze on the black part, and you just work its way out. Make sure the red tab is pulled all the way out. That's on. It would be a good idea to clean all this up while you have it off, but I'm going to be doing some maintenance on it here in a bit, so I'll just get it all cleaned up then. Just clicks in. Just bring that back over. Plug in your math, push the red tab in. everything is all connected. We had two connections there, a screw here, then we had this connection, this one, and of course these four clamps there. That should be all. Now I'm anxious to see if I can tell a difference in power, which from what I hear, it only just doing this don't really add much power. Of course, on a website that I got this off of, I believe American Muscle, actually this was a Father's Day present, but I believe the American Muscle website says this can add like 10 horsepower, so you won't be able to tell much. My light just died. Got another little handheld light. But yeah, like 10, maybe 15 horsepower. But hopefully it'll make the supercharger whine a lot louder. That's mainly not only does it look cool, got the JLT here, but I'm really hoping for a louder whine. One of my future upgrades is going to be a pulley, and then a smaller pulley. I think this one has a 2.8 pulley on it. I want to go down to 2.6, and then later on down the road maybe get the blower ported, but I really want to get like a Kenny Bell or a Whipple, but we will see. Alright, and that is the install. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and that way you'll be able to see my future videos. And I have a lot more mods, and I wouldn't really consider these mods, but enhancements to the vehicle, appearances and stuff. So make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching.